Good morning from Flagstaff, Arizona. I just parked in a really sketchy spot, so hopefully I'm not here for too long. I'm at APC Antiques and Collectibles, and I'm ready to get out of the car. Hopefully they have a bottle of water. It's so trafficy here, I didn't even want to stop. It took me so long to turn in here. Hey, these are cool. $7.50. Those are neat. Then we got a little bit of a glass moment happening here. Ooh, this is pretty, even though glass baskets haven't done that well to me. For me, I should say. 17, yeah. They're kind of hit or miss. Every once in a while I see one that's like super pretty and priced right, and I pick it up. Glass bird, I like the color on that. Even though it's newer. It's kind of hard to adjust from driving out in the sun to this. Oh my gosh, look at you. $6.50. Sold. I think this is one of the Holland molds ones. Oh, and the little trinket box, that one's $16. I could make a couple bucks off that, but not enough to justify. And then this one's Joseph Originals, although this material is kind of tough for me. These are so cute. Hey, look, there's another one. That one's $9. I like the other one better. Little shoes. That's cute. Cody's Corner. There's a lot going on back here. It's a neat screen. Oh wow, this place has multiple levels. I really hope my car is safe where I left it. It's definitely a little sketch. It was one of those slowly walk away moments, looking very please don't tell me on my face. Oh, neat. Sasha Brastov. I don't see any prices. What's going on with this? Oh my gosh, how funny. I love him, but $11, that's a little close for me. He's got like an angry mushroom face. Ooh. Friday's Angel. That's cute. 15. Ooh, I like these vases too. $90 for the pair. Just kidding. This is an interesting little nook over here. Squirrel. Wait, what is this? Me and You. Those are so cute. $13 for the pair. Oh, I just now see 25% off. Ooh, whoa. $12? I think that's what that says. $12 and 25% off. I'm gonna take that. I love that with the hot air balloons. That's neat. Whoa. Trinkets, trinkets, trinkets. Oh, okay, it's for the whole thing. I was gonna say, there's a lot of good stuff in there. What's this? Two-faced vintage something. How cute. Is that vintage though? I don't think it is. I don't know if it is actually. I'm a little unsure about that. The strap looks brand new, and Too Faced is a contemporary brand. Love Cupid. $10. I think we have to get Cupid. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Stop. Look at this one. Oh, dang. It's broken. Oh, I wish you weren't broken. I can't justify $12 on that. Oh, that's so cute. I've never seen the two-sided one like that. And then what's this fabulous cat? 12. It's a little close. I could make a couple bucks, but I keep going. I am taking Cupid though. Gotta really pay attention in here. What's up with this bracelet? That's kind of neat, isn't it? $4. It's one of the ones that has the latches. That's cool. I'm not sure if I'm in the mood for that right now. It's this grumpy looking cat. It's kind of funny. Wait a minute. I almost missed it. What is this? Oh, not the same thing at all. Just kidding. This is fantastic. I Love Lucy. $22. Plate holder. The other thing that kind of caught my eye were these guys. One's riding a rabbit. $12. I don't think I could get much more out of that. The Ma coffee ones. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go upstairs. I think I've seen everything down here. I didn't look in this case actually. Ooh, but wait. I love the flour salt and pepper shakers. $12.50. That's about retail on that. This little knick-knack. Well, it looks like it's probably mostly larger stuff up here. Look at this cute little dress though. I love that. Tiny. Yeah, that seems to be about it. I think I'm gonna check out and go next door. How did I almost miss this? 28. Oh my gosh, though. Gunned. I've never seen this one. It's fantastic. Gunned rubber face goat. I feel like this would be a hit. I'm gonna look it up though, just to be safe. Okay, so normally I wouldn't hesitate on a rubber face that I haven't seen, but rubber faces have been kind of hit or miss for me. This one though is pretty spectacular. I'm gonna go ahead and take a chance on it. For 28 bucks, I kind of feel like there's no way I'll lose money on this. So I spent $59 in there, and now I'm going next door to the Old Highway Trading Post. Fun chairs. Take all 4 for $45. What? Neat. Huh. I love these old button photos. What is this? Oh. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Look at the Buster Brown head. That's fantastic. This lamp is literally as tall as I am. That's insanely cool. And then this looks like, no, it's not. Is it a neat cause? 45. Huh. Definitely a different look than the shops up in Pennsylvania here. It's really pretty. Soft. All this really awesome Southwestern jewelry. I love the beaded stuff. That's neat. The watch necklace. Ooh, look at that giant micro-mosaic brooch. That's at $35. That's really fair for a collector. I don't think I can really do anything with it for resale at that price. Oh, that's a funny cookie jar. Oh my gosh, those lamps are fabulous, and so is that Art Nouveau. Oh, there I go again. You know what I mean. What is this? Is this a candy striper dress? Oh my gosh. I love this. Whoa. So, maybe not my scene. Gosh, why traffic is nuts here. I'm gonna get back in the car and wait, there's another place, B&B. Looks like furniture though. Yeah, it looks like furniture mostly. Don't hate me, but I'm gonna pass. Yeah, I'm also just like having this really bad feeling like it's not okay to leave my car where I left it. So I guess I'll see you guys at my next stop. I'm not sure if Flagstaff's really my scene. I really like Tucson and I really like Mesa, and I loved Siegelman. But this is like a little intense for me. So I think I'm gonna hit this last place, 4th Street Vintage, which looks awesome, and then get back on the road. Yeah, this looks awesome. I love the stanchions. I will say the prices here seem to be pretty reasonable. I love this pottery. Those masks. Dang, those are cool. I like that one. What's going on here? That's neat. Aluminum cups. I love the trinkets. The smaller, the better. That's how I feel. 4th Street Vintage. Huh. Treasure craft. $8. That's kind of fun. Kind of like these bottles. The way it's displayed is really good. Oh, and the little powder jar. She's missing her fur trim. I love this clock too. Some neat stuff. Like I said, definitely different than the scene I'm used to, which is nice. It's exactly what I was looking for. Those are neat. Oh my gosh, look at the candle. That would melt in the car though. I love these drawers. Oh, and the ballet shoes. I used to have the biggest crush on ballet shoes when I was a kid. I thought they were the neatest things ever. There was this ballet shop in Richmond we used to go to, and I would always just like go and look for the shoes. I know that's really weird. I definitely never danced ballet in my life. What? Cat in the Fiddle brass clip? That's awesome. Interesting. Into the tattoo art. I love that style. Drawer pulls. Yeah, this place is like so well displayed. Oh my gosh, I love this. 27. I think it's a toilet paper. Yeah, toilet paper cover. What a regal toilet paper cover. Clown shoes. How fantastic. I wish those were a little less. I would totally grab them just for fun. Oh my gosh, these grapes are epic. And I love the trivets. But the frame is what really grabbed my attention. 36, that's really pretty. I would totally get that for myself at that price if I felt like I needed it. I've definitely broke the bank on myself this trip. And I'm like halfway through. Oh my gosh, wait. Ah! Ponytail. Wait, what's this one? This is awesome. Oh, I love that. It's in really good condition, too. It's a really good price for a collector. $8 a pair? Dang, those are super chipped up. What about the bunnies? What's wrong with them? Please tell me you're okay. Because we need you. You're too cute. It's got a little nick on the one ear. And the wine bottle, those are newer. These are fun. Ladybugs, they're pretty rough though. Should I get these? No, they are chipped actually. They're chipped in multiple places. Dang. That's probably why they're still here. These are my favorite though. That's a really good set. Trucker hats. I think I'm due for a new trucker hat. There's been a couple I've passed up on because they've been a little bit more than I'd want to pay and I've regretted it. I'm kind of into that sign. Oh, these are super collectible. I don't ship liquid though. I've had it new in the box once. All kinds of neat stuff out here. Don't have much room in my car. Although I've been saying that for like 4 weeks now. Oh gosh, I keep getting the hiccups. So much excitement. I love the gas pumps. Oh wow, look at these. I love the signs they have out here. That's one thing I thought I would see a lot of on Route 66, and it has not disappointed. The signs out west are so epic. I'm like scared to go any farther. Like, please don't see something that maybe might fit in the car. Oh my gosh, like the car doors, so sick. Maybe there's a K in here. These little framed illustrations are neat. I like this one. German. Whoa, this is cool. Blue deer sand art. Oh my gosh, I love that. Whoa, this is such an epic smoking set. Well, I found something. That little skunk in there. Oh my gosh, so cute. The little worms. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in this case. Oh my gosh, I'm also just noticing this. This is amazing. So I ended up spending $20 in there. I got the little skunk, which was actually a nodder. Unfortunately, it had a little bit of damage underneath its head, but you can't tell if the head's on it. And also, the little worms had all damage on them, but I got the fox and the bear's bone china set for $10. So I'm gonna sell them as 2 different pairs, the bears and the foxes. The foxes are so cute. So I'm gonna hop back in the car. I have no idea where I'm going, but I think it's time for me to move on. Well, I left Flagstaff. I'm not sure where I'm going other than I'm going east. I'm pretty tired, so I don't think I'm gonna make it that far. But I had to stop and like wake myself up. And I'm not sure which better way to wake up than walking around the desert with a bunch of teepees and dinosaur statues.